In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with Codegen step by step. This integration is super useful if you want to streamline your workflows, automate development-related tasks, and connect your project management directly with code generation tools. Whether you're a team lead, developer, or project manager, this setup can save you a lot of time. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signing in with the workspace where you want to connect Codegen. Once you're logged in and on your main ClickUp dashboard, take a look at the left-hand navigation panel. On the left side, scroll down until you see the option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More to expand additional settings and tools available in ClickUp. After clicking More, you'll see several options appear. From this list, find and click on Apps. This section is where ClickUp manages all integrations and third-party tools that can connect with your workspace. Once the Apps page loads, you'll see a list of available integrations. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to make things faster. Look for Codegen in the list of apps. When you find Codegen, click directly on it to open the integration details page. On the Codegen integration page, you'll see information about what the app does and how it works with ClickUp. To proceed with the setup, click on the Connect button. ClickUp will now start the authorization process to connect your workspace with Codegen. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to confirm permissions or sign into your Codegen account. Review the permissions carefully to understand what access is being granted. Once everything is confirmed, the connection will be completed automatically. After the connection is successful, Codegen will now be linked to your ClickUp workspace, allowing you to use its features directly with your tasks and projects. That's it, you've successfully connected ClickUp with Codegen. This integration can help automate workflows, improve development efficiency, and keep everything organized in one place. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tool guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.